Right now, somewhere in this universe, a star is being swallowed whole, silently, completely. And the terrifying part? It may have already happened to billions of worlds just like ours. Black holes are one of the universe's greatest secrets. Scientists have studied them for decades, and the more they learn, the more unsettling the truth becomes. Today, we're going deep into the darkest corners of space to reveal what black holes really are and what they mean for everything we know about reality. Every black hole starts with a death. A massive star, many times larger than our own sun, reaches the end of its life. And instead of fading quietly, it explodes with a force beyond imagination. What remains collapses inward so powerfully that not even light can escape. Here's where it gets truly strange. The closer you get to a black hole, the slower time moves for you. If you hovered near its edge for just 1 hour, thousands of years could pass back on Earth. You'd return home to a world you no longer recognize. This isn't science fiction. Einstein predicted this over 100 years ago, and we've proven it. Wait, pause for a second. What we just described isn't theoretical anymore. GPS satellites in orbit experience time differently than we do on Earth. Engineers actually have to correct for this every single day. Black hole physics is already part of your daily life. Every black hole has an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Cross it, and nothing, not light, not sound, not any signal in the universe, can carry a message back. You'd be gone, not destroyed instantly, but stretched, pulled atom by atom into something scientists call spaghettification. Yes, that's the real term. For years, scientists believed black holes destroyed everything they consumed, completely and permanently. But Stephen Hawking discovered something that changed everything. Black holes slowly leak energy, a phenomenon called Hawking radiation. And buried inside that leak might be encoded information. In other words, black holes might not erase the past, they might archive it. Some physicists now believe that our entire universe might be a kind of hologram projected from the surface of a black hole. That reality itself, the chair you're sitting on, the air you're breathing, may be encoded information on a two-dimensional surface somewhere. Welcome to the information paradox. And here's the part that should make you stop and breathe for a moment. Right now, at the very center of the Milky Way galaxy, our home, sits a supermassive black hole. It's called Sagittarius A. It is 4 million times the mass of our sun. It's not coming for us, but it is there, watching, waiting, at the heart of everything we've ever called home. Black holes are not just objects floating in distant space. They are questions. Questions about what time really is, what information means, and whether anything in this universe is ever truly lost. We look up at the night sky and see stars, but somewhere out there, the darkness is looking back. And the most unsettling truth of all, we are made of the same universe that created them. Maybe we were never supposed to fully understand it. Maybe that's exactly the point.